GoHighLevel's API v2 enables developers to integrate and automate various platform functionalities using OAuth 2.0 for secure authentication. Here's a concise guide to utilizing it. Access API documentation. Visit the high-level developers community to find comprehensive API v2 documentation, including available endpoints and usage guidelines. Obtain API credentials. Log into your GoHighLevel account. Navigate to Settings, API Keys. Generate a new API key for your application. Implement OAuth 2.0 authentication. Use the API key to authenticate your application via OAuth 2.0, ensuring secure access to GoHighLevel's resources. Explore API endpoints. Utilize the API v2 endpoints to perform actions such as managing contacts, campaigns, and appointments. Refer to the API 2.0 docs for detailed information on each endpoint. Develop and test integrations. Build your application by making HTTP requests to the API endpoints. Test your integration thoroughly to ensure it functions as intended. Monitor and maintain. Regularly review your integration for updates or changes in the API. Monitor usage to stay within any rate limits and maintain optimal performance.